Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn Google into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, in order to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you're going to go on Google, type in whatever industry or service you're looking for in this upper search bar, along with your city name or near me. And then you're going to scroll down after selecting that and choose from the first few results down below in the organic search results or up here in the Google Map Pack. Now, whichever one you do, it seems to be a pretty popular option as there's over 1,600 searches every single month for landscaping companies in Atlanta. And that number grows even more when you factor in other search terms like landscaping near me, landscaping companies Atlanta. So a ton of volume and potential out there. But the goal of this video remains the same, and that goal is to put you at the forefront of those searches so that way every single month 1,600 people see our business first before looking at our competition. Now, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we need to know. So first off, let's talk about content because Google looks for very content-full sites as content is king on their platform. So let's take a look at one of your competitors, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and talk about what you'll need to do as well. So here we are on Oasis Landscapes, and they rank on the first page organically for landscaping companies in Atlanta. And if we scroll down their website, you're going to notice that they have a few different paragraphs of content located across their site. And this is really helping them get some positive rankings, but it's not too much content to where they're really unbeatable. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words on any given page, and that's much, much more than what they have here. So that should do you really well. But that's the bare minimum, so feel free to go above that. But this isn't just any content. This is content that's filled with keywords and phrases that are very industry specific and help them rank for search terms like landscaping Atlanta. So that's something that we're going to want to incorporate into our website as well. So we're going to want that 750 to 1,000 words along with our industry specific keywords to really tell Google vital information about our business. Normally, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a website. And based on these keywords, like I said, Google is going to determine things about our site, such as, what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a business. So very important that we incorporate those in our content. And like I said, then we should start appearing for those relevant search terms. But if I told you that content and keywords were the only things that we needed, I wouldn't be doing you a big favor because there's a whole second part to this, which is going to be backlinking and citations. Now, to give you an idea, the way I like to look at it is that the internal stuff like content and keywords are going to help lay the foundation and determine where we rank, whereas the external things like backlinks and citations are going to help push us ahead of our competitors and start climbing once we get into the correct search categories. So let's take a look at this competitor and see what they're doing as far as backlinks go, and then we could talk a little bit more about how citations tie into everything here. So here we are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and as you'll see here, your competitor has about 1,000 backlinks built out to their site, and it's generating them some solid power and bringing in about 3,000 users every single month. So a lot of value here, and it's a direct correlation of the things that they're doing internally, like their content and keywords, as well as their external side of things with their backlinking. So the goal of this video is kind of the same for every metric that we show you, and that goal is going to be going bigger and better than our competitor. So more content, better keywords, and ultimately, if they have 1,000 backlinks, we're going to want 2,000 backlinks, maybe even 3,000 to really seal the deal and go above and beyond them. And if we do that, we should start to see some really good results. And it really makes you ask yourself, what could an extra 3,000 users a month do for your business? But there is another aspect to this that I did mention earlier, and that was citations. So let's go over the Google Map Pack and talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. Google, and if we scroll down here, we're looking at the Google Map Pack, and this Google Map Pack is super important because it gives us a second place that we can win online. We can win down below in the organic search results or up in the Google Map Pack. And it generates, like I said, about 1,600 searches every single month for this search term. And if we can rank down below and in the Map Pack, we guarantee that 1,600 people every single month see our business first. But there are a few different things that the Map Pack looks for. One of them is citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, the goal of this video, like I said, always to go bigger and better. So if we take a look at your competitors, at number 1, we had 52 citations. At number 2, we had 36. And at number 3, we had 18 citations. So if the number 1 guy has 52 citations, we're going to want 104 citations on top of the backlinks, on top of the content and keywords. And if you do all of those things, you should start to see some traffic coming to your business and some revenue being generated for you month over month. But, it does beg the question, what could an extra 1,600 customers a month do for your business? And that's all I have for you in this video. Once again, my name is Justin with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.